Hello everyone, welcome back to another crafty decor party. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you 6 DIY Dollar Tree Christmas decor crafts. So this is episode 10 in my huge I Love Christmas series. You guys, we are having the biggest Christmas party on my channel. If you need to catch up on any of the other episodes, I'm going to link the huge I Love Christmas series playlist in the description box below, as well as my huge I Love Fall plays. We did over 100 Dollar Tree decor DIY, so definitely go check that out if you need some holiday decorating inspiration. Also, don't forget to check out my last video. It was a collaboration with my amazing friend Ramon at home. Thank you, Ramon, for collaborating with me. Thank you for everybody that was watching. And if you hopped over from Ramon's channel, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home. I'd love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a teeny tiny budget. So without further ado, let's plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. So to get started, I found these adorable Pier 1 gift boxes. They were $49.99, and I knew we could recreate them using Dollar Tree supplies. So I'm starting out with this Grove Collaborative box and this Dollar Tree baby blanket. I'm just going to go ahead and take my hot glue gun and begin to hot glue the baby blanket to the box. This ended up taking 2 of the Dollar Tree baby blankets, and I chose this black and gray fleece. I thought it would be really nice and subtle to mix in with almost any Christmas decor. I want to go for kind of that glam chic that I saw on the Pier 1 website for those boxes. Now I'm just going to take this burlap. I actually got this burlap at burlapfabric.com. I'm going to leave a little link. They have a $5 off coupon for you guys if you need some amazing burlap for your Christmas crafting. Now I'm just taking some of that Dollar Tree silver ribbon, and I'm hot gluing the burlap and the silver ribbon to the bottom of my package, and then I'm just going to pull it all the way over to the other side and hot glue it on the other side. And then I'm doing the exact same thing to kind of give it that package look. So just hot glue your burlap and then hot glue your silver ribbon. And Dollar Tree does carry a nice burlap ribbon. I just happen to have this on hand, so I'm using what I have. And the silver ribbon from Dollar Tree does have a bit of glitter fallout, but it's not too bad if you love that sparkly look. So here is how it should look once you get the ribbon all glued on. Now for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to create a really cute little bow for the top of the package. Just create an Olivia bow with 2 loops of the burlap on each side, twist tie it together with some of that silver ribbon, and then go ahead and pull your loops out. And I will leave a bow tutorial below if you guys need help making bows. Then I'm going to take some of this thinner Hobby Lobby ribbon, but again, you guys use what you have. And again, I'm going to make a small Olivia bow by looping it over on itself. You're going to have 2 loops on each side, and you're just going to twist tie everything together to get it secured. Give it a bit of fluffing. Now, the Pier 1 did not have as much of a bow on it, but you guys know me, I love big bows, and I cannot lie, so I had to go over the top as usual with the bows. And I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue it. I did add a super generous amount of hot glue, so that bow would stay to the top of my package. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pull some of the silver loops down and give the thinner silver loops a bit of some curly cues. And here's how it should look with all of your bows and ribbons. Now, Dollar Tree is also carrying this super amazing cedar pick. You guys, I bought several of these and I'm already using a ton of them. So I just clipped off a couple of the tops and I'm hot gluing them in and around the top of my little bow. I noticed the Pier 1 had some greenery, and then they also used some pine cones on their package. So of course we're going to add in some pine cones as well to really dull and glam it up. Now, just think, you guys could really use almost any fabric that you have laying around to create a box. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to take one of those Dollar Tree signs, and I'm just going to make a little pom-pom with this yarn that I picked up at the thrift store. So just take your yarn and loop it over on itself about 1,000,000 times really, and then you're going to pull it off. This would also work on a piece of cardboard, but this was the first thing that caught my eye. So I just also am going to tie this off in the center, and this is such a fun, fast, and easy pom-pom pom-pom, and then you're just going to run your scissors through the top part of it and run it through the other side, and voila, you have a very fun little easy DIY pom-pom. I love these. I've been using these all through fall and now into Christmas. And then I just pinched my ribbon together and added a dab of hot glue on the pom-pom wind, and here we go. I think this is pretty darn amazing. Definitely not $50. I think you guys could do this really for just a couple of dollars with a box, some fabric, and some beautiful ribbons. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how to repurpose and reuse one of those adorable little Halloween houses if you guys happen to pick one of these up in the Dollar Tree Halloween section. So I'm just taking some of that Waverly chalk paint. You can pick that up at Walmart, but really you could use craft paint on this as well. I do love the chalk paint because it dries really fast. I've seen other DIYers use it, so I thought, why not jump on? And then I'm going to go ahead and add some glitter. Just add a good little dab of glitter to this, and I went ahead and just added it right over where I had painted the little house. Now comes the best part, decorating your adorable little Christmas house. So I added these little mini snowflake ornaments that you get at Dollar Tree. I also found these little trees from Dollar Tree and this gingerbread from Dollar Tree. I added a star to the top, and I think this looks really adorable for a glam Christmas look. Now, of course, you guys know I go over the top, so I created just a little tiny wreath with one of those Dollar Tree greenery pieces, and the little trees I got off some of those little red truck ornaments. And then of course they are carrying this cute little candy cane ribbon, so I went ahead and glued that to the top of my mini tiny wreath. And then I got one of those Dollar Tree red and white striped straws, and I had to go ahead and add some detail. I really felt like my gingerbread person needed a little DIY candy cane here, so all you have to do is cut off part of the straw and then add some pom-poms to the top to create this cute little candy piece. And then I decided to go even more over the top and add some tiny little pom-poms to the wreath. And of course, I could not resist trimming this out in full gingerbread style. So if you guys are decorating for a gingerbread Christmas, these are so fun. And this is an amazing fun little craft to do with your kiddos. Just make sure that they have some help with that hot glue gun and also the paint and glitter. So I did go ahead and continue working with some of those straws, and I just added some detail to the roof. You guys, the sky is the limit on what you could add to this. I used to love to create little shadow boxes when I was a little girl, so I kind of felt a little bit like I was a kid in a candy store, just adding all of these fun details to this project. Again, you guys, the sky is the limit, and how fun is this? Super inexpensive and easy, and dig into your craft stash because I had a ton of little bits and bobs that were so easy to add to this fun project. So, oh my goodness, how adorable is this coming out? I am over the moon and in love with this little cutie. I definitely think that this is going to go into my gingerbread peppermint candy themed kitchen, or I have a feeling my daughter may snag one. It depends on what style she's going for her Christmas decor, but if she goes for pink, I think it would be really cute to do like a little pink gingerbread house. Or if you're doing teal, or just you could customize it to any color. Really, the sky is the limit on that one. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, I decided to go ahead and make another package to go with the first kind of Pier 1 inspired present. So I'm using this little Dollar Tree gift box. This was left over from the summertime, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover it in an automotive cloth. And I have had some people ask me what an automotive cloth is. The automotive cloth is the little drying towel that you're going to find in the automotive section of Dollar Tree. So it's just like a little drying towel, but they're white and fluffy, and they make great Christmas decor projects. So I
glued the automotive cloth all the way around 3 sides, and you guys, I went a little bit quick on this project, so my folds aren't totally perfect. Definitely, if you guys want to make it perfect, take your time, but I went ahead and added the rest of the fabric, and for this gift box, I only needed 1 automotive cloth. Now, I did cut it fairly close, but I even had a little bit of left over, and the automotive cloths are really fun if you guys want to use them for a garland or even make some faux snow for like a little Christmas village. I used a ton of them last season if you guys saw my DIYs from last season, and they're also great if you guys decorate in that glam chic style or do more of like a shabby chic. You can even cover ornaments with them. Again, kind of the sky is the limit for this one too. And so I just went ahead and kind of gathered the little edges around, and it came out pretty good. So now I'm going to go ahead and take some of that burlap, and I'm cutting it to be a little bit smaller. Again, Dollar Tree does carry the wire ribbon burlap, as well as Walmart if you guys need to find that. And the ribbon doesn't have to be wired for sure, because you're just going to be adding it to the package. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. So I'm just hot gluing the ribbon underneath each edge, and that way it has something to kind of hold on to. I think it would be fun to add lights to this as well. And Dollar Tree also carries some of that white sparkling ribbon. Oh my goodness, this is turning out so adorable. So I'm just adding that to the center of the burlap ribbon. And again, you guys remember, just customize this to whatever decor style and color you're using for your Christmas decor. So now comes my favorite part, making the bow, and I'm just going to make a very little small bow. I just made a little loop and then pinched it together and hot glued it in the center for the top of this little bow. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So now I'm just going to go ahead and trim off a little bit more of that cedar. This is from Dollar Tree. It's like a frosted cedar, and it is so beautiful, you guys. I'm probably going to have to go back to the store for more. And then I did add the little pine cone, just like the one from Pier 1 Imports, and then I'm adding some of that ribbon, and here we go. Here is the first present that we did with the Dollar Tree baby blankets, and then here is the second one. Now, they don't match, but I think they look pretty cute together. I almost kind of like them not perfectly matching. I don't know, comment and let me know what you guys think, and if you're going to be doing this, what fabrics appeal to you the most. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to share with you guys how to take those Dollar Tree reindeer ornaments and glam them up and make them into a glam style reindeer, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So I'm just taking some Mod Podge, and you can also use glue, and I'm just adding a ton of glue to these little antlers, and then I went ahead and added it into the center part of the antler and around the edge in the back. And then I'm just going to use some of this glitter from Walmart. I also did go ahead and add some glitter to the front where I pulled the bow off. It kind of pulled off the original glitter, and I also wanted her to have kind of like some little glittering feet as well. This glitter from Walmart, I believe, is kind of that champagne gold color, which I love. I'm going to be using a ton of this in my holiday decor this year. And then you're just going to want to go ahead, and I added for that glam part, and they had this bling wrap at Dollar Tree, so I just add a little bling wrap around her neck, and then I trimmed that off, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add her little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer to the end of her nose. It's just one of those Dollar Tree pom-poms in the smallest size they have available. And then they have those little Dollar Tree snowflakes that are kind of like blingy, glittery, jewel glam. And so I added that to the front as well. Now, these are wonderful to add into almost any centerpiece, which is what I did here. It's kind of underneath the tree that I was decorating with. I just popped it into this little spot here. And then for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I actually lost a little bit of the footage on this one, you guys. I completely apologize, but I did some of these in the white glam reindeer, and then I just added the mosaic tile that you guys see the reindeer on top of, that's just some of those little Dollar Tree stickers. So I added those to a canvas piece, and then I hot glued the reindeer onto the little mosaic tile and added some evergreen around it. They were a bit hard to get to stand up, I'll be completely honest with you. So if you guys have a really good glue like E6000 or some hot glue, so you're gonna have to use a higher heat temp to get those reindeer to stand up. But I think it came out absolutely fabulous. If I do come across those mosaic tiles again, I'll share that DIY with you guys. I completely apologize that I did lose that footage. Comment and let me know if you guys have any questions. And then of course, here's that delicious banana bread we made a couple of DIYs back, and it is getting cold where we're at, so homemade soup is hitting the spot for us here. So I just want to give you guys a quick recap of my I Love Christmas series. This was the first video where I put up the Christmas tree. I also shared with you a Dollar Tree haul of craft supplies, a ton of Dollar Tree ornaments we've been making out of beach balls and pumpkins, and then another Dollar Tree crafty haul. Here is the Dollar Tree snowman DIY. The next episode I shared a candy cane DIY as well as an elf tree, and then this is today's episode. So happy crafting, you guys. Okay, you guys, here is my thrift store outfit of the day. I just found this really cute little buffalo check plaid. It's kind of like a thermal. It's only 39 degrees today and it's gonna get really cold tonight, so my house is even a little bit chilled. I paired it with these just little jeans that I got from TJ Maxx, and then again my little thrift store boots. In all reality though, you guys, I am just going to be wearing tennis shoes while I craft today in this. But I think Walmart may have something similar to this buffalo check plaid shirt, because I believe this is either a Walmart or a Target brand. So there you guys have it, my comfy thrift store outfit of the day. Mwah! So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor party. I love to share with you how you can have a boutique, a gorgeous home on a teeny tiny budget. Again, this is episode 10 in my huge I Love Christmas series. If you guys need Christmas crafting inspiration, click on the I Love Christmas series playlist. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. I did over 100 Christmas DIYs last year, so you can even catch some of those. And also, if you're going for fall right now, I have over 100 Dollar Tree fall decor DIYs in that playlist. Both of them are going to link down below, so definitely get your craft on. For everybody that's new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of this fun and crafty little kind community here. And also, I just want to let you guys know I so appreciate you guys for being here. Without you, I wouldn't be here, and you're making my YouTube journey so amazing. You pour so much love into me. I hope I'm pouring that back into you. So crafting is definitely good for the soul. Keep up the good work. Also, don't forget to join my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page if you like to share your DIY projects. I also have an Olivia's Romantic Home Instagram page. I would love to have you over there as well. So anyway, I love you guys to the moon and back. Have a gorgeous, blessed weekend. We will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.